In your module, go to the assessment, open it. In the assessment page, look for Proctor. Click to open. In the access code, click Enable to generate an access code for this assessment. You're going to need this for the Proctor360. Now, add a section. Choose Assessment. Scroll down and look for Proctor360 tool. Click it. We will now configure the Proctor360 tool for the exam schedule. Write the title of the assessment. Make sure you add Schedule your exam here. Set the start and due date. The start date is optional. The due date may be on assessment's due date. Click Options. Set to Never for the launch in a separate window. Set to Auto Launch. Click Save, or you may go back to the overview and write some instructions, then click Save.
Now, set up the exam. Click Set up exam. In proctoring type, choose Auto, AI. In check-in, you may choose environment check or second ID card or both. In security, choose Audio AI and Browser Lockdown. Select all activities to block, except prevent multiple tabs during check-in. In additional exam settings, you may allow attachment upload if a question requires it. Set up the start and due dates. It should match the assessment start and due dates. To get the exam URL, you need to go back to your assessment. Open it and copy the URL. Mouse right-click and click Duplicate tab. Copy the URL. Paste it in the exam URL box. In the exam URL, change the term teacher to a student. This is very important. If you miss this, the students will not be able to take the exam. In the exam URL, for password, just click the provided link. Don't worry, there's only one. For the access code, go back to your assessment to get it. Click Proctor. Copy the access code. Paste it here. Type in the duration of the exam, it should match the assessment duration. If it's 1 hour, type in 60. You may write here some instructions, if any. Now, it's done. Scroll down and click Submit. Your Proctor360 tool is now ready. Don't forget to click Give.
Now that the assessments are ready, create a section on Proctor360 Guide for the students. In the Module section, click Edit. Click Insert Template. Look for Proctor360 Student Guide video.
Click Save.
Click Save one more time. Voila! Now you have a Proctor360 student guide. Add another section for the house rules for proctored exams. Again, in the Module section, click Edit. Click Insert Template. Look for Proctor360 House Rules in taking a proctored exam. Click Save. And one more.
Look at your module sections. You have your student guides, the Proctor tool and the exam. Great job!